Hey, so this is how you get to your assignments on Schoology and complete them for band through a phone or iPad. I'm going to demo this one from a phone. So I'm going to go into my Schoology account. And I see my classes as I scroll. There they are. Okay. So I'm going to select concert band for now. So in order to find my discussion topics that I have to respond to each week, an easy way to find those assignments is by using the filters. Now here's how you do the filters. In the upper right-hand corner below the plus sign is your little filter slider. So I'm going to tap on that. And it's going to take its sweet old time opening. And now I can filter by assignments, discussions, pages, files, or links. So to find the discussions that I need to catch up on in this class, I'm going to select discussions. And now I can see all these different discussions. So this will help you find the ones that you may be missing. Here's the one from this week, which is weekly discussion post 513. That's at the bottom, so that's a good one to catch up on. Class discussion for 5-6. That's a good one to catch up on. Corona break day 28. That's another good one to catch up on. In fact, if you do those three, that's pretty much going to put you where you need to be with your discussions for Schoology. Now, the next assignment that you need to complete each week is your Flipgrid assignment. So here's how you do Flipgrid from a phone. Again, I'm going back to that little filter button, and I'm going to select assignments. And here it lists the 4 Flipgrid assignments that have been posted on Schoology. So you just tap on those, and let's tap on this. Let's tap on last week's, for example, 5-4. And it shows me the assignment. There's a video that I get to watch. I have instructions. There might be extra stuff to look at. And then I just tap this moderated big plus sign here. And that will take me into the Flipgrid app. You have to have the Flipgrid app installed on your phone or tablet in order for it to work this way through your phone or tablet. So you want to make sure that's installed first. But once you click that plus sign, then it's going to say, do I want to download the app or do I want to open an app? So then, for me, I'm going to just click open an app. It takes me right into Flipgrid. It's going to ask me to log in which way. You want to select Microsoft. And then you're going to put in your school email address and may ask you to use your school password to get into it through Microsoft. And then once you're in, I'll just do mine, just as an example. And it takes me to the recorder. And then I just push this, hey, that's me. You just push the red camera button to record your assignment, and then it walks you through all the different steps to complete it, and then you're done. It'll automatically submit it for you once you click that submit video button at the end. And that's how you do your Flipgrid assignment each week. And basically, that's how you do your assignments for this class through a phone or through a tablet. So hopefully this helps you a little bit and makes things clearer for you.